over.
Are you checking out the undercarriage? Make sure everything's in place.
It's knocked over. Get a stabilizer now.
Because the stabilizers weren't out.
Oh. He should have been using his stabilizers.
Why?
Maybe it's a she.
She should have been using her stabilizers.
His stabilizer?
His stabilizers. It's a he, see?
Okay.
It could go up again.
I'm dirty.
Why? Why?
Are you filming this?
He's not. But he.
Using up all my memory?
Okay.
It's lowering its boom.
Lowering its boom.
That's right.
It's taking over.
Oh, should have had them
Oh.
stabilizers out.
Taking back up again.
Should back up again.
Bam.